Well, beating on him. We're to get some of that. It was it's turned inside out. So the first thing you got to do is get it turned right side out, which as you can see, I'm getting the ridge back in it. That was all turned inside out. I got all that unwadded, pulled apart so I can clean the crack out. I don't know if any of you weld aluminum, but if it's not clean, guess what? You ain't welding it. So, got all down in there. Got that cleaned out. It's a mess. Twisted this sucker, so I'm trying to kind of get it back where it was. That's really the only spot on the old trailer. It's good. Triple axle featherlight. A couple cars on it, tie down. It's a nice trailer. The guy's buying it. He's 81 years old. And he's still running a 5-second drag car. He still passes the license. And all the stuff you got to do to drive the car legally, you know, NHRA rules or whatever. And he told me we was in here when he come in and looked at this trailer. He was telling me old stories about. We knew a few of the old, you know, same people, but he's so much older than me. But he said once he can't pass his license or the physical anymore, he'll start running unsanctioned. It's like, the guy was an inspiration, man. It was so cool to talk to him because, you know, 81. He was when things were real, man. You know, it ain't like it is now. But anyway, all right, now I'm gonna get back to pounding on this thing later.